Our next topic is 5G WLAN security. Fifth generation 5G radio access technology will have the capability of supporting high data rates, low latency, ultra high reliability, energy efficiency, and extreme device density. The deployment of 5G networks can be realized by the development of LTE in combination with existing radio access technologies. In addition, the interoperability of LTE with the state of the art radio access technology and high speed wired backbone networks play a significant role in providing Internet of Things and machine to machine communication. The wireless connectivity of 5G provides a wide range of new applications, such as smart homes, traffic safety or control, critical infrastructure and industrial processes, time critical applications. This shows the achievability of ubiquitous connectivity for any device and the kind of application through 5G networks. 5G networks are highly heterogeneous, with small cells densely deployed in existing circuit switched based cellular networks. Apart from providing extremely high data rates with stringent latency requirements, security provisioning is becoming most challenging in 5G heterogeneous networks. Security management in 5G networks is difficult to handle in microcells where users join and leave frequently. In addition, nodes will have subsequent handover to different heterogeneous networks. On the other hand, authentications in small cells also introduce unnecessary latency. Access of 5G networks will be heterogeneous with respect to the properties of link layer, network bandwidth, end-to-end latency and availability. For example, extremely high frequency communication with millimeter radios. Thus, 5G networks offer super high throughput with low latency but only in very small cells. To achieve this, there will be new challenges such as ramping up TCP session sending rates with peers over the internet. Security is a prime consideration when planning, designing, deploying, and managing a network infrastructure. Design of wireless LANs with heterogeneous network inoperability present a unique set of challenges to IT and security professionals. In addition, problems like non-secure wireless LANs can expose an organization's network traffic and resource to unauthorized outsiders. Such intruders may capture data and exploit network-based resources in wireless internet access. Moreover, high-speed wireless access to a backbone network can represent the entry point for various types of attacks, which can crash an entire network and render services unavailable. Security design for inoperable heterogeneous networks is more crucial to provide uninterrupted anywhere, wireless, everywhere, seamless, and anything IoT services through 5G networks. When designing 5G network with short-range Wi-Fi connectivity, architectural considerations must be accompanied by respective security considerations, and such security considerations are expected to influence architectural decisions. Our next topic is Wi-Fi 5G security challenges with respect to a large number of device connectivity. In general, there are two classes of security requirements in Wi-Fi or the 5G network, namely the mobile user's privacy and data integrity protection. The most common types of security challenges with increased device connectivity are: first, impersonation attacks. With this type of attack, the intruder pretends to impersonate a legitimate user to attack the networks. This case is a common at the gateways, where the packet switched in operates from one network, Wi-Fi, to another network, 5G. Next is network security flaws. This is where authentication of the network, 5G or Wi-Fi, is not provided to the end user. Hence, the intruder can pretend to be a legitimate user and join in any of the networks from where malicious packets can be forwarded and switch to the other networks at Wi-Fi 5G gateways. Next is anonymity gains. Once the intruder gains the information on the end user habits, then it is easy to compromise the network through calling patterns that can be used against the end user. Next is attacks against confidentiality. The intruder makes use of the loopholes in either circuit switched or packet switched network architecture, that is Wi Fi or 5G networks. In addition, the flaws in the communication protocols between the networks and the end user can trace out to attack the network by comprising weak confidentiality algorithms. Examples of this type are brute force attacks, cryptanalysis based attacks, and non cryptanalysis attacks. Next is denial of service DOS attacks. The intruder floods the network to disable the end users and then access the network either by performing the attack using physical or logical intervention. Denial of service attack is the most prominent security attack on wireless networks. Hope you understand all the concepts clearly. Meet you in the next topic.
If you have any queries, please get in touch with us by typing your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our videos. So what are you waiting for? Join us for the course and do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, if you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button and share our videos.